All right, folks, here we go. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, there it is. That took less than a minute. Let's plug it in right here. And see if it turns over. Oh yeah, that feels heavy duty. Pretty strong and sturdy looking. Feels solid. Well, for about $160, 70 bucks. Talk about this now. So we got the tool we need. Because these guys, I ordered this on Amazon, comes with two, right? And it comes with the two drills to make it. Anyways, so you got a smaller one here because it's going to make a smaller hole. And the bigger one for the big one. This is 3-inch, I think. This is 3-inch, this is 2-inch, right? Also comes with, well, you're going to have to Allen wrench so you have to screw on this blade in just the right place. I've already done that. And finally, it comes with a nice little book full of projects you can make with logs. Pretty cool. Benches, stools, and all of that kind of stuff. Pretty nice. The length you need and everything. So probably which one to use. But that just determines how big your log is. Okay, so we're gonna basically just test this on the tool. Let's see, that fits in there nicely. We're going to start with the big one because that is the question. Don't want to lose that. I don't know if I like this thing here, but it seems to grab pretty good. Yeah, okay, that was one. Now we just need a log, something to hold it. 4, that's backwards. Forwards. I thought it was 2-speed. I'll have to check that out. That's just forward and backward switch right there. All right, let's get a log set up here. All right, guys. I set up got some logs out there. I set up my binding thing so it won't move because I don't have a log holder. So this is what I did when I made the log bed. Bind it up, you can't twist it, right? Okay, getting more serious. Lock that end down. Got this end locked down. Wiggles a little bit this way, but not up and down, and it won't twist. All right. Okay, I'm gonna try again with this big thing. Here we go. Oh, looks like the blade slipped back. They weren't tight enough. That'll stop it quick. So it looks like I was gonna go for it. All right, let me fix the blade. Okay, tighten up the blades again. So looks like it was gonna go. Let's see here. Woo! Chews it up like butter. Oh, that's so much better. I can see the more it shakes, the more it's gonna put some deeper gouges in there. Places for the glue. Not totally smooth. I wonder how I can clean that up at all. No, it's just gonna move around more. A little shaky still in there. So probably with a better holding system, I get a cleaner cut. But that is fast. That is awesome. Well, I want to try to drill that hole with this and see how well it fits in there. That is going to be just slightly loose. So let's see. Let's take this off. Here's the chuck. And we'll some red paint from the inside. That'll all wear off fast. It's not as smooth as I thought. Once it's grabbing, it just walks itself in. So I think that might be adjustable by where these are. So I'm probably gonna read up on that. Look at that. These were supposed to be, I think they said 1/4 of an inch out. This one's wider, this one's tighter. But this one's sharp. That's an awesome tool. Okay, so let's drill a hole in the board and see if it goes through. Now, just hold like this. See if it'll go through it. Like a nice hole. Here we go. Walks, wants to walk a little. Wow. Let's just take a look at this. Right in there. A little bit of a wobble. It's not super tight. Certainly room for glue. Certainly room to improve on how I cut the mortise. Yeah, that's cool. What's neat is you can see through these gaps to the wood to see when you're breaking through. Let's go all the way through. Broke through. Right there. There you go. Pop that off. Very clean hole. Walks right through it. There you go. Top of a stool. It's a little tighter back here. Right, friends. Did you see that? Came out great. Perfect hole there. Love the right tool for the job, boy. It sure matters. We didn't do the small one. We did the big one. I imagine this is the same thing. I don't want to have to relock all this down, but it goes right in there. Make a nice small one so we can use this log into this log. I might use this piece, so I don't think I want to try to drill into it, but man, this is a beast. So the company for this recommended a 9 amp drill to be able to handle this stuff. I believe this one is a little stronger than that. This one is 13 amps. Yep, 13 amps. 120 volts, 9-foot cord, weighs 16 pounds. Yeah, no load speed, 450 to 1750 RPM. So you can go as slow as 450 RPM all the way up to 1750 RPM. So there's 2 speeds on this thing. So tough little machine here, I think. It's gonna do a lot of work for me. I'll have to do a long-term review down the road how this cheaper tool from Harbor Freight worked out on all these log furniture I'm gonna make. And so that's it, guys. Cool tool set. This is about $120 here for this set on Amazon, I believe, and this was about $170 over at Harbor Freight, and you can always get those deals though. And if you want to do log furniture, those are the 2 major things you need. And it looks like something to hold it down, so I'm gonna have to get a vise, a clamp, build a system with teeth, because I don't want to jack up the wood with divots marks either, so something that pinches more, a big wood vise or something. But definitely want to work outside. I had a clean shop, now it's all messy. So, and we'll catch you in the next video. Later, guys.